Meet Steve. Steve runs a company that provides financial services and financial accounting. He likes innovations and always prompts his team to find management solutions that will make their job easier and faster. When thinking about the ideal tool, they looked at several aspects. Steve wanted something that would be easy to learn and quickly put to work. A solution that didn't require any installations was also a top priority. Creating a new dashboard every other week was not an option because they were looking for something that would cut down on their work. They checked out several SaaS products, but Steve cannot justify spending hundreds of dollars on a tool they didn't know how would work. This is when Steve found the perfect solution called Someka, a ready-to-use Excel and Google Sheet templates. Trying to track due dates, responsible people, and the priority of tasks, Someka's Kanban board template has automated the whole task management for them. The boards featured Kanban, calendar, dashboard, database, and other configurations that made management look so easy. All those tools worked on Excel, so there was no need to install third-party software to get going. Now, Steve was able to set priorities, assign project managers, add deadlines, and his team members were able to effectively track project progress. They could analyze their results by the end of every week to see how effectively the team worked and maybe come up with task distribution for better results. All this was possible with Someka without spending hundreds of dollars, installation, subscription, and hours spent teaching team how to use brand new software from scratch. After exploring, Steve also started using other Someka templates to master his management skills in other branches as well, such as sprint planning for agile project management, Gantt chart templates for visualization for the whole project, and proper time management. It is time for you to go to someka.net and download the free templates to improve the way you manage your projects today.